Hi, this video is to show you how to use the SQRS system to input photos and videos from your site. For this, first of all, open the SQRS website and then click on the type of project whichever you want to go to. So I'm opening the demo project here. So you can see the demo project website has now opened. So in this website, first section shows all the checklists, which, as I explained in a different video, you have to go through all the checklists before start using the system. And then after that, the next section you can see DLQA recording. Touch on that, and then you can see two links in there. One says submit a new form. The second one says view or edit submissions. The first one is for submitting new quality evidence records, whereas if you want to go back and check all the submissions you made previously or edit any of the submissions, then you can use the view edit submissions link. I'm touching on the submit new form, and it opens the new Google form to make a submission. So in there you pick the project code, block reference as relevant, block B I picked, and then floor reference level 2, and plot number, you have to select a plot on the level 2. Level 2 plot is plot 46 on that level, so I'm just picking that one as an example. Plot 46, plot type, it can be any options added here. I'm just selecting the duplex as an example, so this is not a compulsory question. You can leave it blank if you don't know the answer. And then the next question is about drawing references, if there are any drawing references applicable for these works. If there are drawing references given in the form, you can pick whichever drawings that are applicable to the submission. And an installation type reference. This is just a generic question for data analysis. So whether it's party wall, shaft wall, what type of installation it is, that's what you have to pick. You can pick whichever options are applicable. I'm just going to pick metal party wall. Sorry, this is for plot, so I can't pick that one. I'm going to pick metal partition wall. And then system make, it's asking for system make, so it's British gypsum. So there is iServer installation in there. Any other information can be typed in this area here. And then the next question is asking for pick the dry lining checkpoint or quality issue to record. So this drop down, you can see few dry lining task items, which basically is relating to the checklist which is already prepared. Also, there are a few additional items in there, like you can use it for reporting a non-conformance or to record a site instruction by a client, or also to record few other things, like to record incorrect work sequencing, for example, or if someone is damaging our work, you can use that to take pictures and record that thing. So in this with this submission, I'm just going to pick the partition first fix, and it takes me to the next section where it is asking for the form status. And form status, you can select open or closed status. Open status means you will be able to go back and edit the form later to add more information into it. So if the works are not complete, you can pick the open status. Or if you are sure that the works are already complete and you don't need to go back and do anything on it, then you can pick it as the closed status. Now click on next, and then it asks for uploading the video or photo evidence for the works, and you can touch on the upload files button. It asks you to pick, it shows 3 options there: photo library, take a photo, video, or browse. Photo library takes you to the phone's gallery where you can pick the photos from, or photo or video lets you open the camera to do a live photo or video. And browse, again, it takes you to the device's memory where you can pick files from. So I'm going to click on the camera. So the camera has opened. Take a photo, use the photo. You can add a video or add more files. So I'm going to open it again. This time I'm going to do a video. It's a short video, so you can see. Click on use the video, and now you can see there are 2 files that I've added. So you click on upload. Now go to the next section. It is asking you to upload any supporting files. So if you have any other supporting files you want to include in the submission, for example, a snapshot of a drawing or some other document, you are able to upload it in this section. Just click on the add file again. From your device, you can either browse in the device and find the file you want to upload, or you can take another photo snapshot from hard copy of a drawing. Click on upload. Click on next. And now it's asking a few final items here. You can add any comments here, any test comments you have. Then it's asking for the reason for form issue. You can type in any other reason that is not listed here, or I'm just picking for Stanmore's record. Name and details of the installer. All the names of the installers can be displayed in this form menu here. At the moment I've only got one test installer listed. I can pick that, otherwise I can manually type it. What I would suggest is at the time when you are setting up the project, if you know the names of the installers and their GW codes, if you can provide that to the QA system admin, then you can have all those names listed in the form. So at the time when you are filling the form, everyone's name will be listed, which you can pick the correct person. Now the next item is the date of handover, if that is applicable. You can pick any date, but I'm adding today's date, 22nd or 7 2021. Next question is the name of client's manager. You can manually type in the manager's name here, or pick an option that's already in the menu. Again, at the time of setting up the QA system, if you can give the names of the managers from the client side, all those names can be populated in this menu, so you can pick the relevant name whenever you need rather than typing it. I'm picking the test client as an example for now. And now you can see the form is completed. There is an option for you to get a backup email if you just toggle this button here. So you will get a copy of the form submission. I'm just turning it off as I don't want any email notification. Once it's completed, just click on submit. And you can see the form has been submitted. I will show you how it looks like once a form is submitted. So you can see here the form submission made just now. It's appearing here now. It takes probably about 2-3 minutes for the submission to fully appear in this page. Yeah, now you can see the submission details have appeared here. Only difference being the PDF link is not appearing, it is blank. This PDF link for the report will be visible by the next day. Also, you can see the hyperlink to the checklist, which is relevant to that particular form. And also you can see the block reference, flow reference, plot reference, etc. there. So if you want to access the PDF report, I will show you an example that was done previously. Just touch on it. It opens the PDF report following a previous submission, and you can see there are this is an open status form, and there are 3 photos submitted on this submission. So you can see when the status is open, you are able to edit the form. You can touch on this button for editing that form. So it opens the form again. It shows all the information you already input in there. You can go through them, edit, change the status to closed and resubmit. And then following that submission, again, a new PDF will be generated, which will be visible in that same cell by the next day. So this is the page where you can view all the submissions made onto the QA system. So this also the dry lining PDFs, any PDFs generated, closed status PDF generated, it will be available to view at the bottom of this website as thumbnail images. You can touch on that to open the PDF report. And as you can see, each of these reports are named by the job code, block reference, flow reference in that order. So it's easy to find out from the report what activity or which floor or which plot it is applicable to. Hope this is helpful regarding how to fill and submit a Google form for QA recording. Thanks for watching.